Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth part of the chapter Refraction of Light. This video will be dealing about the formation of image by convex lenses. There are 6 cases and then we will be discussing about uses of convex and concave lens. First is object between optical center C and focus F1, that is your left side focus, isn't it? Now here is the object AB placed over here. Two rays will be passing through it. A ray which is parallel to the principal axis will pass through the focus after refraction. F2 here is your reflection part. Now if I extend this focus backward, it will be coming to the left side of the lens. Second ray which will move towards the optical center will straight away move in that direction. Let us extend it backwards. The point where optical center ray and focus ray meet is your image formation place or point, that is your A dash B dash. So the image formed is behind the mirror. That means left side of the mirror, it's virtual and erect and it is larger than the object. This you can see. Second is when object is placed between focus and convex lens. Now AB here is the object. A ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis will pass through the focus F2 and a ray which will move towards the optical center O. It will move straight away so that these lines will never meet. Either we will extend the ray backward or we will extend it forward. So this means the image will be formed somewhere at infinity and it will be real and inverted. Why? Because this is on the right side and it will be highly enlarged. Okay. Next is object placed between F1 and 2F1. Now AB से दो rays pass होंगी, same है, ठीक है. Here at this point where they will be meeting somewhere at 2F only on the right side, isn't it? So that means beyond 2F image formation would be real and inverted and larger than the object. When the object is placed at 2F, that is exactly at 2F, then the image will be formed at exactly on the right side at 2F. The image will be real and inverted and it will be as same size of the object. Next is object beyond 2F1, isn't it? So two rays will be there. The place where these both will intersect is your between F1 and 2F1 at the right side of the lens. The image will be real and inverted and smaller than the object. Then we have our last case, that is object at infinity. Rays will be coming, they'll be meeting at the focus. So that means real and inverted image will be formed and it will be very much smaller size than that of the object. Now here is a conclusion table I have made. This you can refer. So the point here to be noted is between F1 and lens, this point image nature would be virtual and erect. Similarly जब हमने concave mirror का केस किया था उसमें जब हम object को place करते हैं between P and F, there also virtual and erect images formed, isn't it? So this you can note it down. Last we have spherical lenses, that is concave lens and convex lens. For concave, they are used in spectacles to correct the defect. They are used as eye lens in the Galilean telescope, used to combine with convex lens to make high quality lens system, and they have wide angle spy hole in the door. For convex lens, uses are they are used in spectacles formation, making simple camera, used as magnifying glass, used in making microscopes and telescopes and slide projects. So this is all about this video. Thank you so much.